How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade keto ice cream with only 3 grams of net carbs per serving. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a mason jar. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, Facebook groups, anybody you want to. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by Sandy Exley. Thank you so much for your video suggestion. This is for you and everyone else. Now, Sandy originally wanted me to do pineapple ice cream. Well, pineapple isn't exactly ketogenic friendly, but there's definitely more than one way around that. Now, if you see in the grocery store, there are so many options for extracts, from vanilla extract to almond extract, banana. And in this recipe, I'm actually making a berry ice cream, a very berry ice cream. So I'm going to be using vanilla extract. If you want pineapple ice cream, all you have to do is find pineapple extract online. I'll leave a link down below in the description so you can find that. All right, so I can't wait to start making this homemade keto ice cream. All right, here we go. All right, we're going to start off with 1 can of coconut milk, 1/3 of a cup of frozen berries. I have a mixture of strawberries and blueberries. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 10 drops of liquid stevia. All right, and stir it up until it's evenly combined. And let it sit on the burner for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, it's been boiling now for 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's time to transfer this into a mason jar. All right, so let it sit and cool for about 15 to 20 minutes before you put it into the freezer for about 2 hours. All right, it's been about 20 minutes. We sealed the cover. Now you can stir it up a little bit. All right, now we can pop this into the freezer for about 2 hours. 2 hours have elapsed. And here's the ice cream. It's looking very creamy. All we have to do now is blend it in the blender. We have our Pop Baby's portable blender here. Take a look at that ice cream. All right, take a look at that ice cream, so smooth and creamy. Look at that. All right, now for a taste test. All right, look at this ice cream here. Only 3 grams of net carbs for this whole container here. And the amount that I made would yield about 3 of these. Very berry ice cream, keto friendly. Look at that ice cream. Wow, homemade. Wow. That is so good. Hey, I think I'm giving Rebel a run for their money here. This is delicious. You're looking at about 250 calories in this one serving here. So this is about 6 ounces. But if you eat the whole thing that I made, you're looking at about 750 calories. But that's pretty similar to Rebel. Rebel's at around 6 to 700, so it's about the same. But hey, you can't beat homemade, and this is very cost effective. This whole thing cost about $3.50 to make, but it takes time to make. This is good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.